Facebook Ads for Intellectual Property Lawyers 2023, Step-by-Step Tutorial Updated. Learn how to create highly effective Facebook ads specifically tailored for intellectual property lawyers in this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you'll be able to drive substantial traffic and attract more clients. It's crucial to pay attention to every detail, as Facebook's advertising landscape for intellectual property lawyers has evolved significantly in recent times. Skipping any part of this tutorial could put your ad at risk of being disabled or result in a complete block of your Facebook ad account. Throughout this tutorial, I will break down the key changes that have occurred in the past year, providing you with concise and easy-to-follow instructions. By the end of the video, you'll have a fully optimized ad ready to attract leads within 24 hours. It's my aim to ensure your success, so make sure not to miss a single second of this tutorial. I want to share an important update before we dive into the tutorial. If you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Over 10,000 intellectual property lawyers have found it to be indispensable when it comes to generating new referrals and attracting clients. Anyways, click that link in the comments and book your demo with my partner Nick, and you can see more. Now, on to today's tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's explore step-by-step how to create a highly effective Facebook ad specifically designed for intellectual property lawyers. This ad is not only geared towards attracting clients but also generating leads for your practice. It's a creative approach that has proven successful in acquiring a significant number of leads from individuals in need of intellectual property services. Follow along with me as I share my screen and guide you through this transformative journey. Remember, running a successful ad campaign can make a substantial difference for your practice, so let's get started and unlock the power of Facebook advertising for your business. Access Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand side of your Facebook page, locate and click on Ads Manager. If you don't see it there, click on See More and scroll down until you find it. If you haven't set up your business manager for running ads previously, you'll need to do that first. Create a new campaign. In the Facebook Ads Manager, click on Create Campaign. We'll focus on lead generation to ensure we generate quality leads that can turn into clients. Select Manual Leads Campaign. Facebook offers streamlined and tailored best practice lead recommendations, but for more control and better results, we'll choose the Manual Leads Campaign option. This allows us to have maximum control over our lead generation campaign. Name your campaign. It's important to name your campaign appropriately for easy tracking and analysis. Let's use the example of intellectual property leads. Start date. Naming your campaign accurately will help you keep track of its performance and avoid confusion when analyzing data. Set campaign parameters. Now, let's move on to setting the campaign parameters. You'll need to define your target audience, budget, and ad creative. Make sure to specify your target location and demographics relevant to your intellectual property practice's target market. Craft engaging ad creative. Create compelling ad content that highlights the benefits and unique selling points of your intellectual property practice. Use high-quality visuals and persuasive copy to grab the attention of potential clients. Test and optimize. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance closely. Analyze the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign. This may involve tweaking targeting parameters, ad creative, or budget allocation. Track leads and close deals. As leads start coming in, track their progress and engage with potential clients promptly. Provide excellent customer service, answer inquiries, and nurture leads to convert them into closed deals. Follow up and retarget. Implement a robust follow-up strategy to stay engaged with leads who have shown interest in your services. Utilize retargeting ads to re-engage with website visitors or those who have interacted with your previous ads. This will help increase brand awareness and reinforce your expertise in intellectual property law. Monitor and analyze results. Continuously monitor the performance of your Facebook ad campaign. Analyze key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per lead. Use this data to make data-driven decisions and optimize your ads for better results. Scale and expand. Once you have a successful ad campaign in place, consider scaling your efforts. Increase your budget, expand your target audience, or explore new ad formats to reach a wider audience of potential clients. Remember to monitor the performance closely to ensure a positive return on investment. Stay updated and adapt. Facebook's advertising platform is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, features, and policies to ensure your ad campaigns comply with the guidelines and leverage new opportunities. Adapt your strategies based on the changing landscape to maintain a competitive edge. By following these steps and implementing effective Facebook ads, you can attract more clients and customers to your intellectual property law practice. Facebook advertising offers a powerful tool to reach a targeted audience and generate leads. With careful planning, creative ad content, and continuous optimization, you can unlock the potential of Facebook advertising and grow your client base. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. As an intellectual property lawyer, it's crucial to stay informed about effective advertising strategies that can attract more clients to your practice. After accepting the terms, we need to ensure that we select the special ad category that is still required for certain industries, including intellectual property attorneys. This category helps in providing a better user experience and complying with Facebook's advertising policies. Remember to choose the country where you'll run the campaign, example, United States or Canada. Moving on to the different sections of creating a Facebook ad, we have the campaign, ad set, and ad itself. Each section plays a crucial role in the overall success of your ad campaign. In the campaign section, our objective is to generate leads. You don't need to worry about A/B testing or advanced campaign budget optimization. Simply select the lead generation objective and proceed to the next step. Next, in the ad set section, name your ad set accordingly. For example, you can use intellectual property consultations, location. This name helps define your target audience, whether they are individuals, startups, or businesses in need of legal advice related to intellectual property. Remember, this section is where you set your targeting parameters, budget, and options like custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and retargeting. Now, let's focus on the ad section itself, where you create the ad content. Since we're aiming for lead generation, we'll stick with the instant form option, which asks people to fill out a form to generate leads. This form typically converts better than driving traffic to a website. Make sure to connect your Facebook page and accept the terms for Meta Lead ads. This step ensures that your lead generation ad is set up correctly and that you can run it seamlessly. At this point, you're well on your way to creating a powerful Facebook ad campaign for your intellectual property law practice. In the following steps, we will proceed to fine-tune your targeting, optimize your ad creative, and monitor its performance to ensure optimal results. Remember to stay attentive to any updates or changes in Facebook's ad policies and regulations. This will help you stay compliant and make the most of your advertising efforts. If you live in a smaller market, the minimum radius you can select is 15 miles due to the special ad category requirements. Unfortunately, you cannot choose a postal code or zip code for targeting purposes. Keep in mind that the Facebook algorithm is highly effective in identifying and targeting the right audience based on engagement. Therefore, detailed targeting may not be necessary for your intellectual property law ads. The algorithm will analyze who engages with your ads and show them to similar people while reducing exposure to those who do not engage. Based on my own experience and having spent a significant budget on Facebook ads, I found that blanket targeting combined with retargeting using custom audiences yields the best results. In Canada, you have some additional behaviors you can target, such as intellectual property or legal-related interests. However, for most intellectual property attorneys, blanket targeting and English language settings should suffice. When it comes to placements, there are two approaches you can consider: advanced placements. If you have a significant budget, a longer campaign duration, and the resources to test different options, you can maximize your budget and show your ads across multiple placements. This approach allows you to gather more data and insights. However, it requires more time and resources. Streamlined placements. If your goal is to generate leads quickly, and you may not have the luxury of time or a large budget, you can take control over placements. Remove the audience network, stories, reels, and any other placements that may not be relevant for your intellectual property law ads. In this case, focusing on the core Facebook newsfeed and marketplace placements can be effective. Remember that every business is unique, and it's important to monitor and analyze the performance of your ads. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights you gather to optimize your campaigns and achieve the best results. Tracking the performance of your ads is crucial for measuring their effectiveness. Utilize the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager to assess key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per lead. This information will guide you in making informed decisions and refining your ad strategy. Additionally, don't overlook the importance of ad creative. Craft compelling and informative content that highlights the value of your intellectual property law services. Utilize visually engaging elements and persuasive copy to capture the attention of potential clients and convey your expertise in the field. As leads start flowing in, it's essential to promptly engage with them. Respond to inquiries and provide excellent customer service to nurture these leads into valuable clients. Remember, building strong relationships and establishing trust is pivotal in the legal profession. Continuously monitor the performance of your ads and make necessary adjustments. If you notice low engagement or conversion rates, consider tweaking your targeting parameters, ad copy, or visuals to better resonate with your audience. Regular optimization is key to maximizing the effectiveness of your Facebook ad campaigns. Lastly, stay informed about any changes in Facebook's ad policies and regulations that may impact your intellectual property law ads. Remaining compliant will ensure the smooth operation of your campaigns and help you avoid any disruptions. By following these steps and consistently refining your Facebook ad strategy, you can effectively attract new clients and expand your intellectual property law practice. Stay dedicated, adaptable, and attentive to the needs of your target audience, and you'll see the power of Facebook advertising in driving your business forward. Now we'll proceed with setting up the ad within the ad set. First, let's discuss the budget. In the example, it suggests a budget that can reach 6 to 25 leads per day based on the ad spend. However, it's important to note that even if Facebook shows 0 leads for a smaller budget like $10 per day, it doesn't mean you won't generate any leads. Sometimes Facebook's algorithm tries to encourage higher spending. I've personally seen leads generated with budgets as low as $5 per day. So don't be discouraged by the 0 leads indication. Moving on, let's name the ad. In this case, since we're focusing on generating leads for intellectual property attorneys, you can use a name like IP Law Firm Leads, city name. Now, for the ad format, the tutorial suggests using a single image ad. However, I recommend considering other formats as well, such as carousel ads. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple images or services in a single ad, which can be beneficial for highlighting different aspects of your intellectual property law practice. Be sure to tailor the carousel images and descriptions to highlight the unique selling points of your firm. If you're experienced in creating effective carousel ads, it can be a powerful option. Otherwise, let's focus on the single image ad format for simplicity. Next, let's proceed with creating the ad. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up the single image ad. Finally, if you haven't connected your Instagram account yet, you can do so by following the instructions in the tutorial. While Instagram may not be as relevant for intellectual property attorneys as it is for other industries, having the connection can still provide additional exposure for your law firm. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to launch your ad and start generating leads for your intellectual property law practice. Remember to monitor the performance of your ads, make adjustments as needed, and analyze the data to optimize your campaigns. Keep in mind that the tutorial may have additional steps and details specific to the real estate industry. Adapt the information to suit your intellectual property law firm's needs and objectives. At this stage of the tutorial, we suggest discarding the automatically pulled media by Facebook, as it may not be relevant to your business. Instead, you should add your own images that showcase your intellectual property law firm and its services. To add your own images, follow the instructions provided in the tutorial. You can either select images that are already uploaded to your account or upload new ones. Choose high-quality images that highlight your firm's expertise, successful case outcomes, satisfied clients, or legal professionals in action. These visuals will capture the attention of potential clients and establish credibility in the field. When selecting an image, Facebook offers options to crop it to fit the ad. It's recommended to choose a square or landscape aspect ratio that effectively utilizes the available space on the screen. Ensure that the most important elements of the image are visible and consider cropping or repositioning if necessary. Once you've added and adjusted your images, click Next to proceed. Now, let's move on to crafting the text for your ad. Pay attention to the following key elements. Primary text. This is the text that will appear at the top of your ad. Write compelling copy that immediately captures the attention of individuals seeking intellectual property legal services. Emphasize the unique benefits of your law firm, such as extensive experience in IP law, successful patent registrations, trademark protection, or expertise in copyright infringement cases. Headline. The headline appears below the primary text and should further entice viewers to engage with your ad. Consider using attention-grabbing phrases like "Protect your intellectual property today" or "Expert IP lawyers at your service." Call to action. CTA. Call to action. CTA. Choose a CTA that prompts viewers to take action and reach out to your law firm. For intellectual property attorney ads, CTAs like "Schedule a consultation," "Protect your IP rights," or "Get legal advice" work well. Select a CTA that aligns with the desired action you want potential clients to take. Now, let's move on to the ad settings. Follow the instructions provided in the tutorial to set up the targeting, placements, and other relevant settings for your ad. Ensure that you target the appropriate audience for intellectual property legal services, such as individuals involved in creative industries, entrepreneurs, or businesses in need of IP protection. Consider utilizing detailed targeting options such as interests related to copyright, trademarks, patents, or entrepreneurship. You can also narrow down the audience by location, age, language, or other demographic factors that align with your target market. In terms of placements, focus on platforms where your target audience is likely to be present. Facebook's news feed and Instagram feed are popular choices for advertising legal services. You may also consider including Facebook Audience Network to expand your reach, although it's important to monitor its performance and adjust if necessary. Set a daily or lifetime budget that aligns with your marketing goals and financial capabilities. Keep in mind that running ads for longer durations with a sufficient budget can provide more data for optimization and better ad performance. Once you have completed the ad settings, review the details carefully to ensure accuracy. Double-check the targeting, budget, and other parameters to avoid any errors. After reviewing the ad settings, click Confirm or a similar button to submit your ad for review. Facebook's ad review process ensures compliance with their policies and guidelines. The review time can vary, but typically takes a few hours to a day. Once your ad is approved, it will start running and reaching your target audience. Remember to continuously monitor the performance of your ads. Analyze the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager to identify any areas for improvement. You can make adjustments to the targeting, ad creative, or budget as necessary to optimize your campaigns and achieve the best results for your intellectual property law firm. Stay updated with any changes or updates in Facebook's ad policies and regulations that may affect your advertising strategy. Adapting to these changes will help you stay compliant and maximize the effectiveness of your ads. In conclusion, by following the steps outlined in the tutorial and tailoring them to suit the needs of your intellectual property law firm, you can create compelling Facebook ads that generate leads and attract potential clients. Regularly monitor and optimize your campaigns to ensure they align with your business goals and deliver the desired results. After crafting your primary text, headline, and CTA, it's time to create a lead form. Lead forms allow users to provide their contact information directly within the Facebook platform, making it easier for them to express interest or request more information. Name the form to reflect its purpose, such as Intellectual Property Law Consultation Contact Form. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up your lead form, including selecting the fields you want to capture, example, name, email, phone number, adding a privacy policy link, and customizing the thank you screen users will see after submitting the form. Once you've created your lead form, you can save your progress and proceed to the next steps in the tutorial, which may include selecting the campaign objective, targeting your audience, and reviewing ad placement options. Remember to adapt the instructions to the context of your intellectual property law firm and modify any details as needed to suit your specific goals and preferences. Next, let's discuss some important considerations when setting up the lead form for your intellectual property law firm's Facebook ad campaign. In the tutorial, the presenter mentions some features that you don't need to worry about, such as customizing sections or telling your brand story through rich text visuals. These elements may not be necessary for your specific needs as an intellectual property attorney. Instead, let's focus on optimizing the lead form for higher intent and better lead quality. One strategy is to include a review step in the form, giving people the opportunity to confirm their information before submission. This extra step might increase the cost per lead slightly but can result in higher quality leads. By auto-populating the form with their Facebook information, you might get more volume but potentially lower lead quality due to outdated contact details. When deciding between more volume and higher intent, consider your budget and goals. If you have a flexible budget and prioritize lead quality, opt for higher intent where users need to confirm their information. On the other hand, if you're a new intellectual property law firm with a limited budget, you might choose more volume initially to generate as many leads as possible. Now, let's move on to the customization options for the lead form. Facebook allows you to use a custom image as the background for your form. It's recommended to use the same image or a consistent visual theme to establish brand consistency and build trust with potential clients. In terms of the headline for the lead form, you can use a variation such as: secure your intellectual property rights with top IP attorneys in your location. Keep the headline consistent with the overall message of your ad text for better alignment and clarity. Moving on to the questions in the lead form, it's generally advisable to include fields for the user's name, email, and phone number. The preferred order is full name, email, and then phone number, as this sequence tends to yield better results. To guide users, provide a brief description below the questions, such as: please submit your information, including your full name, email, and phone number, so we can contact you to discuss your intellectual property needs. Lastly, you need to include a privacy policy. To do this, navigate to your intellectual property law firm's website and locate the privacy policy page. Copy the URL of the privacy policy page and paste it into the designated field in the lead form settings. This ensures compliance with privacy laws and builds trust with users by assuring them that their information will be handled responsibly. By following these guidelines, you can optimize your lead form for generating high-quality leads for your intellectual property law firm. Remember to adapt the instructions to fit your specific business needs and ensure consistency throughout your ad campaign. Now, let's focus on the key elements specifically tailored for intellectual property attorneys who want to generate more leads and clients. Here's how you can optimize your lead form. Review screen. Implementing a review screen in your lead form allows potential clients to review their information before submitting it. This step ensures that their contact details, such as their name, email, and phone number, are correct. It's crucial for follow-up purposes and helps maintain accurate client records. Message for leads. After clients submit their information, it's essential to provide a compelling message that encourages them to take action. Consider using a message like, "Thank you for reaching out to your intellectual property law firm. Click below to schedule a consultation with our experienced IP attorneys and protect your valuable intellectual assets." Call to action button. Customize the call to action button to match the action you want clients to take. For instance, you can use schedule consultation or protect your IP rights now to create a sense of urgency and entice clients to engage further. Relevant link. Determine the appropriate link to include in your lead form. Ideally, it should direct clients to a page on your website that provides more information about your intellectual property law services, case studies, or client testimonials. Make sure the page is optimized for conversions and clearly highlights the value you provide. Description. In the description section, emphasize the benefits clients will receive by submitting their information. For example, secure your intellectual property rights with our expert team of attorneys. By submitting your information, you'll gain access to comprehensive legal guidance and strategic advice tailored to your unique IP needs. Contact information. To further facilitate client inquiries and engagement, consider including your contact information in the message for leads. Encourage clients to reach out if they have any questions, need additional information, or want to discuss their specific IP requirements. Providing multiple contact options, such as your phone number, email address, and even social media handles, can enhance client convenience and accessibility. Remember, by optimizing your lead form with these relevant elements, you can effectively capture leads, nurture client relationships, and ultimately increase your client base as an intellectual property attorney. As an intellectual property attorney, your goal is to attract more clients and grow your practice. It's crucial to implement effective strategies that can help you achieve this. One powerful approach is leveraging targeted advertising on platforms like LinkedIn, Google Ads, or industry-specific publications. By creating compelling ads that highlight your expertise and the value you offer in protecting intellectual property, you can capture the attention of potential clients and drive them to seek your legal services. Imagine showcasing your firm's success stories, your in-depth knowledge of intellectual property laws, and your track record of helping clients safeguard their valuable assets. By highlighting these strengths in your ads, you'll stand out from the competition and attract clients who are seeking reliable intellectual property legal services. It's important to optimize your ads for maximum impact. Utilize compelling headlines, concise yet persuasive ad copy, and targeted keywords to convey your message effectively. Consider including client testimonials or case study highlights to build trust and showcase your firm's successful track record in protecting intellectual property. By running targeted ads on these platforms, you can reach a wider audience of individuals and businesses who may be in need of intellectual property legal services. As a result, you'll increase your chances of converting potential clients into long-term partnerships. Remember, the key to successful advertising lies in crafting compelling messages that resonate with your target audience. Put yourself in the shoes of individuals or businesses who may be seeking legal protection for their intellectual assets. Address their concerns, highlight the potential risks they face, and offer solutions that demonstrate your expertise and reliability. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. As an intellectual property attorney, it's crucial to stay informed about effective advertising strategies that can drive more clients to your practice. By continuously evaluating and refining your advertising approach, you can adapt to changing market dynamics and ensure that your message reaches the right audience. Additionally, consider leveraging content marketing as part of your overall strategy. Create informative blog posts, white papers, or educational videos that highlight the importance of intellectual property protection and showcase your expertise. Share this content on your website, social media platforms, and relevant industry forums to establish yourself as a thought leader and attract potential clients. Networking is another powerful tool in the legal profession. Attend industry conferences, seminars, and events where you can connect with professionals and potential clients. Building strong relationships within the intellectual property community can lead to referrals and new business opportunities. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of client referrals. Satisfied clients can be your best advocates. Encourage them to share their positive experiences and recommend your services to their networks. Consider implementing a referral program that rewards clients for referring new clients to your practice. By incorporating these strategies into your marketing and advertising efforts, you can position yourself as a trusted intellectual property attorney, attract more clients, and ultimately grow your practice. Stay proactive, adapt to the changing landscape, and consistently deliver exceptional legal services to ensure long-term success in the field of intellectual property law. And if you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Discover how our software can revolutionize your intellectual property law practice by automating client acquisition and boosting your sales. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link in the comments below, book a call with our team, and see firsthand how our software can transform your client base and revenue streams. Invest in the future of your intellectual property law practice and let our software do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the complexities and costs of Facebook ads. Book your call now and unlock the potential of our clients on 100% autopilot software. And if you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Discover how our software can revolutionize your intellectual property law practice by automating client acquisition and boosting your sales. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link in the comments below, book a call with our team, and see firsthand how our software can transform your client base and revenue streams. Invest in the future of your intellectual property law practice and let our software do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the complexities and costs of Facebook ads. Book your call now and unlock the potential of our clients on 100% autopilot software.